now we're going to make a felt hat. I'm going to show you how we do it. Raoul is going to take the material, which is a pre-made capline in fuchsia felt. So first of all, he's going to humidify it. And then he puts it into this cauldron here, which is full of steam. It's heated by gas, and steam gets right into the felt. The idea of that is twofold. It's firstly to make it more extendable, so that it can assume the form of the block, and it also means that when it's on the block, which is quite hot, it's not going to burn. So now he's going to put it on the block itself. So he's just really leaving it for quite a short period, so it can really, and once it comes off, it stays in the shape of the block.
Péter la matière, c'est ça le problème.
Il y a la formule dedans.
Ça dépasse parce que tu vois, c'était.
Alors, je serre un peu, après on va le roi.
Mais si tu regardes de l'autre côté, il y a la ligne. En fait, pour couper autour de la ligne, ça dange aussi.
Ouais.
Et après, tu lâches les pieds, c'est pas ça. Mais là, parce que tu vois, je suis pas régulé dans. Enfin, il y a un côté qui fait 27, un autre côté qui fait 26, mais ça dépasse pas.
On veut 25.
Ouais.
Voilà.